from and what's your name?
I'm Sven and I'm from Germany.
Okay, and are you ready for your new haircut?
Yes, of course.
Hi guys, nice to see you again. With me, Chris Joker, the only one and just only one channel. So, hairdressing model, more than 50 countries from all over the world. On this video, I show you barbering technique with beard trimming and beard lineup. First, we use clipper combs number 2, 6mm on size. Cut the side and on the back. And then we use clipper combs number 1, size 3mm to blend the bottom side of the right, left and back side. The most important of main barbering technique is blended and faded to connect all the layer from short to the longest. And on the top side, top section, we use clipper comb technique. Blend all the layer between side to the top and make sure that the size of the top is fit and suitable with all over the side and the back. Keep going and keep going guys, and the haircut of this will be look so perfect. Now we work with model from Germany. His name is Slits. And for the side guys, for the lineup, use the hair trimmer for the side, back and another side. And for the finishing touch, for the side is faded technique with clippers. And for the beard, we do lineup with hair trimmer to assure the look of this haircut is really clean. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please feel free to subscribe, because subscribe is worth it for me and subscribe is always free. And don't forget to share, comment and like for this video. See you again next time in another video. Thank you for watching.
I like it a lot.
Okay, can I put this video to YouTube channel?
Yes, of course you can.
Okay, we do together. Snip, snap.